Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Meghur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I wanted to do a product review of Bioderma cicabio SPF 50. It is a sunscreen with very high protection. It says that it restores, soothes, and protects, and it is specially designed for kids as well. So when it is designed for kids or infant, let's say, you need to make it a very good formulation, and it should be a mineral sunscreen. When you have little babies, you cannot apply to them the chemical sunscreen ingredients. You can just apply to them mineral sunscreen ingredients. I like babies when they are white and they look like ghost, like white patch everywhere. It is good because zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, it causes a shield on the face. It doesn't get penetrated, whereas the chemical skin ingredients do get penetrated, and the sunscreen formulated with chemical filters are not really good for the babies. I don't know why they claim that it is good for the babies, but in the formulation, I did observe that there is no denatured alcohol, there is no fragrance, which is really good, and they do have different plant extract in it, which is essential for removing the free radicals from the skin. So let me just open this product and give an honest review of it, like if it is good or not. And I purchased it from a medical store, and I wanted to see, like, is it really good. When they say it is for babies, I was like, then I really need to buy, because I'm not a big fan of organic filters, let's say that. I just like something which is titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. If you see the formulation, it is a bit yellow in color. It has a yellow dew. I'm gonna spread it. Oh, it spreads so nice. It's so watery. And let me just spread it. No fragrance, but it can be used as a makeup base. It has a nice dewy effect in the end. It is nice. I'm not a big fan of chemical sunscreens, but this is really moisturizing at the same time. When you apply it, it gives a nice dewy finish to it and also moisturizes the skin. If it is a winter time and there is not a lot of sun, then I would definitely go for double moisturizing my face and then apply this sunscreen. I would like to even do a small patch test before even applying it to my face. The rest of the ingredients which makes this sunscreen really hydrating and good is that it has 1,2-hexanidinol, it has glycerin, it has sodium hyaluronate, which are the different humectants, and these hold the water into your skin barrier and hydrate your skin. But these all are in very lesser percentage, so the maximum amount of formulation is done by the water, which is kind of compensating the humectant presence. The more the humectant, the water should also be higher, because the humectant tends to draw out water from surrounding and also your skin. So they need to have a balance. If they don't have the balance of humectant and water formulation, then it can lead to more dryness of your skin. The only downside about this is, for me, is that it's a chemical sunscreen, but overall the formulation is really nice. There is no fragrance. It is very good. It's so moisturizing, gets absorbed into the first layer of your skin and then protects you from the UV rays. My honest opinion on this would be, like, it's really good for adults. It is good for children above the age of 10 years old, not below 10. Because when kids are growing till 10 years old, their brain is developing, their skin is blooming, they are having a huge change going into their body. But if you administer a chemical sunscreen ingredient, it can go into the bloodstream and can even disrupt your hormonal changes, which is not good. But if you are about 10 years old, it is good to use. I would also show you a little bit applying near my neck area. You see, I'm a skin of color. I want something that blends well with my skin tone. And if you see, it is nicely spreading and blending well. It's not leaving any sort of white cast. It's a pure chemical sunscreen. This is how I kind of do a patch test before even going and using the product. If it's a serum that I find it's being a sketchy formulation, always do a patch test here and then wait for 24 hours and then think, oh, is it reacting or not? My personal takes about this sunscreen is that I love the formulation. It is very lightweight. If you want something to be under your makeup, act as a very good base, then this is really good. It is soothing to your skin. It kind of is relaxing when you're applying it. It doesn't feel heavy. Usually the sunscreens do feel heavy after your moisturizer when you're applying it on the top. It is good because it's broad spectrum protection from the UV radiation, and it is SPF 50. I love for skin of color people having the sunscreen above 50 plus, so it's doing a beautiful job protecting your skin. It has a protection against UVA. There are different types of UV radiations. There is UVA, UVB, UVC. UVC doesn't even touch to the surface, whereas UVA and UVB does. So UVB is kind of reflected back when there is mineral sunscreen, but UVA sometimes goes deep into your skin and triggers the melanocyte, but it has protection against it. If you are an adult and you want to buy a good chemical sunscreen, this one is really nice. I liked it, but for the price point, I paid 10 euros for 30 ml of product, which is 895 rupees when you convert it into Indian rupees. And I think it will be like 12 or 13 US dollars. So for the price point for 30 ml of product, it will just run for you for good 1 or 2 months. If you're applying it every day, then it is gonna be good for you for a month. The plus thing about the chemical sunscreen is that you don't have to retouch up it again and again. It stays for good 5 hours, and if you are going out for some work, you can just apply this and then naturally just go out. It has a nice dewy effect and it naturally glows your skin, so it's kind of a nice finish, kind of gives you a fake glass skin finish. So that is it for this video. What do you guys think about it? If you like this video, make sure that you click on that bell icon and also subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you share this video with your friends so that they can be also aware of how the skincare formulation actually works. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.